Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how can you fix your T-Mobile no signal even to register to network. So here's a guide to restore your LTE and 5G service. Fix 1. Confirm line activation and coverage. Check that your cellular line is active and working. Verify you are inside a covered area using T-Mobile's coverage map. Fix 2. Turn off airplane mode. Confirm airplane mode is completely turned off on your device. Fix 3. Check your SIM card's condition. Eject the SIM and inspect the copper plating for damage. Ensure there are no physical chips or deep discoloration. If so, you need to contact the T-Mobile or visit a retail store for a card replacement if it is faulty. Fix 4. Restart your device. Power down your phone and completely reboot to check for active signal bars. Fix 5. Adjust Wi-Fi calling preferences. Change your settings to cellular preferred or cellular only. This prevents Wi-Fi calling configuration from breaking network connection. Fix 6. Turn off Wi-Fi to force cellular. Turn off your Wi-Fi manually to ensure the phone connects straight to T-Mobile. Fix 7. Set network mode to auto. Set the device default network mode setting back to auto. Fix 8. Reset network and update your carrier setting. For this, you need to go to Settings and then select General. Go to Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. Verify the T-Mobile carrier settings are up to date over an active Wi-Fi line. This clears out bad system configuration without erasing personal data. Fix 9. You can contact your T-Mobile or visit a store. If no bars show after troubleshooting, contact T-Mobile support from a working line. Visit a local retail center to swap out hardware or test an alternate profile. Report local blackouts or network drop zones directly via support tools. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.